Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on trends for you on your accounts on X Twitter easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and safety. Now click content you see and click explore settings, and here as you see you will find it trends for you. Just click on it like this and this will be turned on, and that's how to turn on trends for you on your account on X Twitter easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.